is my 48-inch Brown Banvil Chateau ceiling fan. I got this from Habitat years ago, and I've actually already made a video of it, but why am I doing a video of it right now? Well, I added this light kit to it. I figured that prompted a new video of it. Don't hate me for the glass option. I thought it would be, I tried it and I was like, you know what, this isn't too bad looking. I know that tulip probably would have been preferred, but I already have a fan with tulip on the display, so I opted not to do that. So yeah, here's the light. It's got 2 appliance bulbs and 2 LEDs in it. And we're gonna start it up on low. This fan has actually 3 pull chains on it. The one that I'm holding right now, this one, is what changes the speed. This one right here does the light, this one. And then this one on this side is forward, reverse, and off. It's pretty weird. So right now the fan is in forward, set to low speed. Now let's go up to medium. So as you can see, the speed chain doesn't have an off setting. It just cycles through the speeds endlessly. So in order to switch it to medium, I only have to pull it 2 times instead of 3, like you typically would to change it from low to medium. This fan does wobble, which I expected. Yeah. This fan's always been just really weird, and I think that's why I like it so much. Here's high. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the shades were a bit big for this fan, or for this light kit. I'm not gonna lie. The thumb screws are really just there, just for looks really. They're basically attached just by the outer clamps themselves, so yeah. So yeah, so that's how you turn the fan off. Now for this video, I usually don't do this in my videos, but I'm gonna reverse it in this one, just so I can show you. So obviously, so you might think, oh, you can't reverse it, it's an on-off pull chain. Well, when we started the video, the fan was set to off, and then I pulled this chain once, it went to forwards. Well, I pull the chain once again, it goes in reverse. So the sequence of this chain is forward, off, reverse, off. So here's low in reverse. Medium. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I actually don't run this fan very often when it's up here, when it's here on the display. Mostly because it's really freaking loud and I don't really need to. Even though lately, when at least the time of this recording, I've been needing to run a lot of the fans lately because it's been pretty hot outside. Here's high. Yeah, you can definitely tell I don't run this fan in reverse because it is a lot louder. I usually have the speed control set to low. So yeah. That is going to do it for this video of this 48-inch Banvil Chateau ceiling fan. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.